Imagine you are going on holiday. Answer the questions about your holiday in the next slide. Name of the place. After the exams, winter vacation, summer vacation, etc. Bus, train, etc. Parents, friends, etc. 3 days, 1 week, etc. Beach, forest, mountain, or whatever the specialty of that place. Historical place, highest mountain, etc. Write a letter to a friend about the holiday you planned in Activity A. Include the date, greeting, body, and closing. Write the letter in your exercise book. Pair work. Read your partner's letter. Check for the following things. 1. Capital letters. 2. Full stops. 3. Commas.